up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies.
I love you because you indulge in my whimsical fancies, such as quoting my favorite movies with me, pausing to watch bunnies hop across the field, and sometimes stopping at McDonald's for a soft serve cone. I have enjoyed spending moments with you as you encourage me to experience new adventures like sailing, and I'm excited for the new experiences we'll have during our life together.
Ronald, I love how warm-hearted you are. You always make me feel loved, and I marvel always at the way people and animals bask in your presence. Ronald, I love how silly you are. You always lighten my mood and have an encyclopedic memory of adorable quotes and references. Ronald, I love how intelligent you are. You always challenge me, and I know no matter how long our journey together, we will never be bored.
I promise you my deepest love, my fullest devotion, my most tender care through the pressures of the present and the uncertainties of the future.
I will laugh with you in times of joy, comfort you in times of sorrow, and lift you up when you are down.
I promise to stimulate your imagination and lend you strength to reach all of your dreams.
I vow to continue to grow with you in mind and spirit, be open and honest with you, and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
The rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dare to.
I now pronounce you wife and husband.